Hey guys! The Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra and the S21 FE are the only non-folding flagship phones Samsung has launched this year. The Galaxy Note lineup is on a break, and for anyone not interested in Samsung's upcoming foldables, the Galaxy S22 series is going to be the next big thing. As we move closer to 2022 and towards the eventual arrival of the Galaxy S22 series, we will see more and more information on the new device leaking into the internet. We have already a few tidbits. The Galaxy S22 could feature up to 65-watt charging speed and new camera sensor, possibly including a 200 megapixel sensor carrying the Olympus branding. Whether or not any of the existing rumors will turn out to be true is anyone's guess, but in the meantime our sources have come forward with the new details to pile on top. We have got model numbers of the Galaxy S22 phones. Our sources tell us the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra should carry model numbers SMS901X, SMS906X and SMS908X. Samsung's SMG9 series of model numbers debuted with the Galaxy S5, which was the SMG900X, and culminated with the Galaxy S21 smartphones, which are the SMG991X, SMG996X and the SMG998X. For the Galaxy S22, Samsung seems to have changed course. Instead of going with something like SMG1000X, Samsung is switching the G to an S and starting over, with the 9 series range of numbers for the next decade of Galaxy S flagships. These model numbers reveal that all 3 Galaxy S22 models will come with 5G connectivity as standard, which is to be expected as all of its 2021 flagships are, or will be 5G ready as well. Other specs are a mystery for now, though we can expect the new AMD-powered Exynos chipset to be one of the main attractions of the Galaxy S22 lineup, whenever it goes official next year. Currently rumors pointing at the January launch. Samsung also seems to bring back the vapor chamber cooling system with the S22 series. And some reports also suggest that an S Pen support is in order, but we wonder if it could come bundled in the package, since this isn't exactly a new feature. The current Galaxy S21 Ultra support S Pen too. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.